Today's market update reveals a complex landscape where global retailers navigate tariff refunds, supply chain shifts, and evolving consumer behaviors amid persistent inflationary pressures. The three major U.S. equity indexes finished the trading session in negative territory due to a combination of macroeconomic headwinds. Rising Treasury yields significantly eroded investor appetite for riskier assets across the board. Simultaneously, disappointing financial results from retail giant Walmart sowed significant doubt regarding the health of the consumer sector. Investors grew increasingly concerned that rallying oil prices were acting as a catalyst for renewed inflationary worries in the United States. Consequently, Walmart shares experienced a sharp decline after failing to meet Wall Street's previously established expectations. High gas prices and sluggish pharmacy sales have pushed Walmart's growth trajectory to its slowest pace in 6 years. Shoppers are visibly pulling back from big box stores as the cost of living continues to exert upward pressure on household budgets. This contraction in demand highlights the fragility of retail sales when fuel costs remain elevated for extended periods. The situation presents a challenging environment for traditional brick-and-mortar retailers trying to compete with online alternatives. Walmart shares plunged by 10% even though the company reported an earnings beat that lifted its overall business outlook. The primary driver behind the stock sell-off was the fear that declining drug prices would negatively impact total sales figures. Despite the positive sentiment regarding their broader business strategy, falling margins in the pharmaceutical sector weighed heavily on investor confidence. This divergence between earnings performance and stock price action underscores the sensitivity of retail valuations to specific category dynamics. Walmart has officially received approximately $2.9 billion in tariff refunds following import duties paid during the previous year and early this year. The company's chief financial officer John David Rainey detailed these substantial financial gains during the firm's second quarter earnings call with analysts. Management plans to strategically deploy these recovered funds toward reducing retail prices for consumers and investing heavily in physical store expansion. These tariff refunds continue to bolster the balance sheets of major retailers while macroeconomic factors like high fuel prices keep consumers financially constrained. Walmart expects that Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale event moving from the third quarter to the fourth quarter will weigh about 100 basis points on growth next quarter. The Indian retailer is expanding its quick commerce arm Minutes, which has recently crossed the milestone of 1,000 delivery locations. India remains a key driver for Walmart International's operating income and advertising revenue streams globally. This strategic shift in timing reflects broader adjustments in retail calendars to optimize sales performance across different regions. Global retail giant Walmart announced that its advertising business grew by 20% during the second quarter of fiscal year 27. This robust growth was primarily led by Flipkart Ad, which served as a major vertical within the global advertising portfolio. The company highlighted how digital advertising revenue contributed significantly to overall financial performance in the recent reporting period. Such expansion demonstrates the increasing integration and reliance on digital marketing channels across international retail operations. The beauty retailer Karmic Beauty has officially launched a new initiative involving autonomous drone deliveries for its products. This development reflects the growing adoption of aerial robotics across sectors including e-commerce, healthcare, and agriculture. Personal care items are emerging as a potential new category specifically optimized for drone-powered fulfillment logistics. The launch signals a shift toward faster last-mile delivery solutions that bypass traditional traffic congestion in urban areas. CFO John David Rainey stated that brick-and-mortar stores have evolved as e-commerce penetration continues to grow rapidly. Physical locations are now serving as vital hubs for experiences and immediate gratification rather than just transaction points. The company is reimagining the retail floor to blend online convenience with offline engagement strategies effectively. This evolution ensures that physical stores remain relevant and competitive in an increasingly digital marketplace environment. Subscribe to E-commerce News Bulletin for the next bulletin featuring deeper analysis of these retail trends.